Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Grow with SIP. If you're looking to build wealth the right way, you're at the right place. I am Krishna, your authorized mutual fund distributor. On this channel, you will gain everything you need to become a confident and informed investor. In today's video, I'll introduce you to my channel Grow with SIP and also I'll introduce myself. We'll start with the today's video. Firstly, I'll simplify mutual funds, breaking down concepts so even beginners can understand and start investing with clarity. Secondly, I provide investment suggestions in mutual funds. These insights help you choose the right investment strategy and align with your financial goals. Third, I help you avoid common investor mistakes that cost people money due to fear, greed, or misinformation. Also, I guide you with loan assistance knowledge, helping you understand smart borrowing and financial planning. We have tie-ups with banks to offer you all sort of loans at a competitive interest rate. And most importantly, I focus on building awareness before investing because informed decision always lead to better financial outcomes. If your goal is long-term wealth creation with discipline and knowledge, subscribe to this channel and start your investing journey the right way. Let's grow your money wisely. Let me introduce myself. I am qualified finance professional with a strong foundation in financial principles and long-term investment strategy. I am a qualified MBA professional. With over a decade of practical investment experience, I have closely witnessed how markets behave across different conditions. I am a AMFI registered mutual fund distributor, which means I am certified to distribute mutual funds ethically and responsibly, always keeping investors' interest first. My journey includes deep market cycle experience from bullish phase to volatile and challenging times. This helps investors stay disciplined and focused by making informed decisions. At the core of my approach, I believe in long-term investing, a commitment to sustainable goal-oriented wealth creation rather than the short-term speculation. My mission is simple. I help you build financial wisdom, make informed decisions, and grow your wealth with confidence. We started this channel to solve a real problem, which is poor investment decision. Many people lose money not because investing doesn't work, but because of lack of awareness and proper financial education. Some investors just invest on based on the tips from others, trusting unqualified advice without understanding the risks. Other gets influenced by the social media noise, chasing online trends instead of solid investment principles. And many ignore risks, blindly following the past performance, hoping for the quick returns. So this channel is started for the same reason. Our goal is to replace confusion with clarity, noise with knowledge, and provide financial awareness. Here we focus on disciplined investing, long-term thinking, and informed decision making. So you can invest with confidence, not emotions. If you want to avoid costly mistakes and build wealth the right way, this channel is for you. Let us take a look at our product offerings. First, investment suggestions, which we call it as an investment distribution in mutual funds. This is a core what we do. We provide guidance on mutual funds, SIPs, and overall financial planning, helping you choose investments that match your goals, risk profile, and the time horizon. Along with investment, we already have loan services. This includes assistance with home loans, personal loans, business loans, and balance transfer options, ensuring you make smart borrowing decisions with the right structure and interest rate. We are tied up with banks to offer you loans at competitive interest rate. Our approach is simple. Whether it's investing or borrowing, every financial decision should support your long-term financial well-being. With the right guidance, you can manage money efficiently, reduce financial stress, and move confidently toward your goals. Now let's move on to an important image. Why do we need a qualified guide? Most people don't lose money because markets fail. They lose money because emotions take control. Fear during market falls and greed during market highs and confusion what everyone around gives different advice. That's why the first rule of successful investing is avoiding emotional decisions. Real wealth is built when choices are driven by logic, not panic or excitement. The second key is staying disciplined. Markets will fluctuate, this is a normal trend. But investors who follow a clear strategy and remain consistent during ups and downs are the ones who truly benefit in the long term. Next is matching investment to your goal and risk profile. What works for someone else might not work for you. Right investing is not about returns alone, it's about aligning with your life goals. Equally important is regular portfolio review. Your income, responsibilities, and goal change over time. Your investment should evolve with you, not stay as an autopilot. When all the elements work together, investing stops being stressful. The starts becoming purpose-driven wealth creation. This channel exists to help you with clarity, confidence, and discipline. So you don't react to the market, you plan for it. If you believe in investing should be calm, structured, and long term, subscribe and start making smarter financial decisions today. Contact on the available number for free advisory and portfolio review. That's it for today. Thank you.